Hey photo friends, Phil here, and today I'm super excited because we are launching a brand new course. This is a course on the photo editing application GIMP, which is a free alternative to Lightroom, to Photoshop, to Affinity Photo, to any other application you're using and you're paying money monthly to use or you're having to pay to upgrade. GIMP is a completely free alternative that is used by millions of people around the world and has the capabilities of editing photos, compositing photos, similar to what you can do in these other applications. This is a really awesome course led by Chris Parker, a top-rated instructor. He's a professional photographer and photo editor, and he has some of the most popular photo editing courses out there. So I'm sure that you're going to like this course. I'm going to go ahead and play the introduction for the course. But as always, when we launch these classes, you get the best deal when we do the launch. I'm going to leave a link in the description with our promotion. So enroll now. And as always, you get 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's literally no risk in trying it out right now, seeing if it's the right course for you. And if it is, great. If not, no worries. All right, enjoy the promo video, and I hope to see you in class. Cheers. Are you tired of paying an expensive monthly fee to be able to edit your photos? Do you want a free alternative that doesn't cost a penny? GIMP is the perfect photo editing app for you.
Hello, my name is Chris Parker, and for the past 30 years, I've been using and teaching Photoshop, but you'll be amazed at how easy it is to transition to the #1 free alternative to Photoshop known as GIMP, since it has a lot of the same features without the monthly subscription. I've been helping photographers transition to GIMP for the last 5 years, and I can't wait to share with you how to edit your photos in GIMP like a pro.
You'll learn all of the basics from fixing exposure, crop adjustments, all of those kinds of basic things that every photographer needs to know. But you're also going to learn professional editing techniques such as dodging and burning to edit exposure of specific parts of your image, making selections so that you can change and manipulate just parts of your photos. You're going to learn how to professionally retouch photos in GIMP, fixing up skin, whitening teeth, changing the color of eyes, all of those sorts of things. And you're going to learn how to use layers in GIMP, being able to composite photos and create anything that you imagine. Everything you need to start editing photos in GIMP is included in this class. We'll walk you through downloading and installing the application. You'll get downloadable practice files that you can follow along and work with as you take our lessons. Now I know you might be a little hesitant moving from a photo editing application you're comfortable using to GIMP, but that's what this course is here for. It's to help you feel confident using GIMP to edit your photos just like before. Take a look through the outline, watch a free preview of the video, and remember, you have a money-back guarantee, so if this isn't the course for you, there's no risk in trying it out right now. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in class.